If you want information on my massively successful keto program that is getting so many amazing results for so many women, go check that out at beastmomfitness.com/keto. Bear with me, I've got notes. And now for that weight loss tip, right? So time and time again, when I do a weight loss consultation with a woman, I notice that she is not getting enough protein, which is a huge mistake on a weight loss journey, right? Because protein is so crucial for that program. It helps you stay satisfied. It helps you feel fuller longer. And it is an important component for reshaping and rebuilding your body because it's what your muscles are made up of. Those amino acids are the elements that reshape and rebuild your muscle fibers. So protein is so important. Part of that reason is a lot of people don't even know what to have for breakfast. So now, I love breakfast. So even if I'm following an intermittent fasting protocol, my first meal is still going to be breakfast because I love it so much. So what I did was I put together a protein-packed breakfast recipe guide for you. It is so amazing. I am so proud of it. You're going to love the recipes. I even added plant-based breakfast recipes and vegetarian, and I went one step further and I tagged every recipe that is ideal for meal prepping. So I've set you up for success so that you can start getting some protein-packed breakfast that tastes amazing. And that way, once you start your day that way, you're more likely to make better choices throughout the day. And it'll help you stay satisfied and you'll just feel amazing. Let me see if that's all I've got for you. So click the link at the bottom of this video and go ahead and pick up your free recipe book. It is so amazing. I even did like a mini meal planner in there for you. And don't forget to check out my keto program at beastmomfitness.com/keto. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am Phyllis Thompson with Beast Mom Fitness, and I help women feel good naked again. Pretty much through weight loss and fitness and nutrition. That's what I'm here for. Ciao. Have a great day.